My name is Stephen Milton, and this is my internship video as I finished up my internship with United Data Processors LLC. Um, as it shows on the screen, United Data Processors is located in Boca Raton, Florida. It's an organization primarily operates in the data processing service business industry within the business services sector. Primarily, they work on doing media marketing and sales lead assistance for companies trying to increase their presence on the internet. For my internship, I was responsible for creating many different web pages using the different web creation tools available. These sites were then optimized for Google Analytics to drive traffic to the client websites. I worked with a team of 3 other intern developers with a supervising developer. We were given a site that our sites should drive business to. We would have to research the different themes on the web and then come up with a web design that could be used to drive business to the other site. We did a lot of review sites as well as infographic sites. We were given access to a bunch of different website generators, and we would have to learn how to use each one so we could build our sites. For each site generator, we would need to create a minimum of 3 different websites to drive traffic to the assigned sites. We did a lot with Google optimization to get the sites to place highly in the Google rankings. Once we got started, we worked individually on the different sites and cranked up the sites as quick as we could. This was the extent of our work that I did on my internship. I really enjoyed working with my other team members, and over the internship, I worked with 3 or 4 different interns, and it was a unique experience for me to work on websites and teams. I know that will benefit me also in the future. I also enjoyed learning so many different website building skills and tools. Here are some examples of some of the sites that I did while I was there, and I probably generated 60 to 80 sites over the time span that I was there. But these are just a few of the examples of ones I did. So this is the first site. This is just one of the sites I did, just mobile phone reviews. And then it has, just the basic design of what I did. And this one here was done on Dynodot. So that was one of them. Another one, let's see, was this one I did about golf. I'm a big golfer, so I thought it'd be fun to do this. This was actually the first one I did for the company. So it's actual dolphin, and you'll notice on here you have little links. So these little links take you to review sites that they want us to push the people to. So that's really what it was for. So whenever you see these little things, that's the links to the other sites to let them go check these things out. And really that's how the company makes their money, is by creating these front page sites that actually push traffic to these other sites. They get paid for per clicks on each of these things, and on some of them they have deals where they actually get percentages of the sales generated from these. Another site I did was this one for pet supplies. So same kind of deal. It's just these things are all links that take them to these other sites that then generate the revenue for the company. So that's basically what I did over the the span of my internship. This was an unpaid internship, and it wasn't anything that was going to be permanent. They're not hiring full-time employees for this. This was just something that they wanted to get done, and they thought that doing internships would be an easy way to get this work done, basically for free. I looked at it as a opportunity for me to improve my skills, get some real-world experience, as well as it being a class. So that was what my takeaways from this were, was that, would I want to work for this company in the future? Probably not. I mean, it's not, it's the setup for me wasn't what I would want, but it was a good experience for me, and I appreciated them taking me on and helping me complete this project for them. Thank you.